Rolling. The first thing that we have to do is to prepare the panel for installation. We have to mark the panel using the template that we have prepared. So that's the template for the right side of the panel. We have to use the other template for the left side of the panel. And then we're going to cut the bottom of the panel. We're cutting the right side. And we're going to cut also the left side. Using the panning tool, we're going to bend the panel by 180 degrees. So we turn the panel and then insert the panning tool and bend it 180 degrees.
Can you press it both sides? Okay.
You could also use the mallet to adjust the slope to 180 degrees.
Okay.
After that, we're going to continue to cut the panel using the markings that we did. We're cutting right now the right side of the panel. We're also going to cut the left side of the panel.
Okay.
Okay, I believe the panel right now is ready for installation. So we can put the panel right now to the receiver.
Ano yung nag-ano na? Nag-i-install o yung wala pa? Ha? Yung wala pa. Ay, yung wala pa.
Okay.
After we have bent this panel, you saw that in the previous video. Now it is time to put the actual panel now. First, when you lay this out like this, you're gonna next thing is you're gonna put the clips. Okay, you put the clips here. Okay. The next will be like you put the next panel over it and push it until it stops like this. And then you know that the clip is located here. You should get the hand crimper and crimp it like that, so that just in case the wind blows, this is attached to each other. And after that, it's going to be followed by electric simmer. Okay, the sim will pass through here, and then when it's sim already. Of course, by the way, before you do that, it has to be like you have to get like a clamp so that the legs will be together. And then that's the time you have to use the electric simmer. And then the last time, there's a portion here. This piece would be returned like, you know, there should be a tool for that. You're gonna do like this with the right tool. Okay.
180 degrees.
This is not the tooling for this, but just in case, you know, I'll just let you know how this is gonna look like. Okay, and then you're gonna bang it like that. I think that's the end of it.